It is Wellness Week for your girl, and I am so excited to share this whole entire vibe with you guys. Stay tuned. First stop, West Virginia.
Fantastic.
Said it's it feels so delightful, doesn't it, Adriana? Delightful. This is so nice. I love it. Yeah. Oh, this feels so good. Oh, I want to sleep in here. Too much. Maybe. How do you feel, Adriana? Let the people know. I love the water. What is my friend? No? Oh, okay. See y'all. They going to the high side. Y'all know I'm only 5 feet. I started getting a little 4 and 4. Ooh, the jeans fit a little dip. I'm losing my breath. Show me a little baby too. I can't We're freezing. Look it, baby. We're cold. Shiver, shiver. So this completes my vlog for the week. I had an amazing time at Winchester, Virginia. It was very much so retreat vibes. I'm glad I got to get away, but tomorrow I will be going to Asheboro, North Carolina, and that's where I will be finishing up my wellness break since being off of social media and getting ready to hit the ground running, literally. February is up. It's my life. We're here to Getaway. It's my life. My birthday. Yeah. It's my life. It's my life. We stayed at the Aria. Okay, y'all, I have to go now because I don't know where. Finally, we supposed to came the 18th. Then is this for dogs?
That's the fire pit.
No, I'm talking about this little thing right here.
No, that's
Y'all, I'm pretty psyched. No, it's your birthday. Where's the keypad? Y'all can't see it.
Oh, I got 20%.
Ooh.
Miss here.
I got a piece of it.
Oh yeah, if you go bathroom tour.
Here's the party. vlog, not tutorial. I don't know what to do after this. We're okay. Just anybody, no. Yelling can be alarming in the middle of the woods.
So we're gonna light this first.
Oh, like this first.
Don't take the plastic off. Just light the fire. Just like
this.
Yeah, just light the corner.
Oh God, I hope it do good with acrylic.
Yeah, do it. Okay,
And
light
then
the corner.
throw it down.
Just place it down. It ain't gonna like whoosh.
Is this enough?
Yeah, it should catch. And just lay it down
Lay it down.
flat. Yup. And then they say, hold on. Let's just double check. Okay. In the center of the fire pit, like one log beside it. So
One log.
one log. You probably like the other side too, I would.
Go on now.
Yeah, go ahead.
I just dyed my eyebrows.
Girl, it is not gonna lose.
Got time.
And then just like beside it, like behind it though.
Well, I ain't got no weed no more. You said behind it.
Yeah.
I'm just right here. I don't care if then you throw the rest of them in there.
Yeah, then you gotta this thing
No, I don't think.
So create a lean-to structure. We're gonna place 2 on top. So you got one?
Gloves. Okay,
So one on top. Maybe yours will go. Yeah.
so one of the scooters.
Yeah, you can do mine. Go ahead.
Let me see. What it was like.
No. It don't say. That's what it say. Oh. So now we gotta blow gently at the fire base. Blow at the bottom.
But should it be under there?
No, it said in the middle.
Blow gently.
At the base. So you
Get
gotta,
this because there's something
you gotta put your
happening.
head.
Huh?
You gotta get down there.
This is down. Because I'm too clumsy for this.
Maybe the wind.
Uh-oh. See that? My face would have been lit. Literally. My God.
Well, let's
It don't
prepare
need
the
to
food.
blow. Look, 'cause it's
No,
blow.
because it's windy.
So again, no more logs.
Not until later on. Like I think it needs to catch on some, and it says you can add one more. So it says if your fire is slow to start, we gotta find a stick for
Okay, let's go look for a stick.
marshmallows.
Come on.
Get the lamp so we can see. Oh, honey.
Get in the lamp.
Let's see.
Your car's probably better than my husband.
Maybe we should just look up here for it. You was ready, and I'm just not.
Here's the lamp. For whatever reason, the iPhone is doing better than the lamp.
Girl.
Bitch, you can show our endangered like this.
It's so dark. You can't even tell. You can see a little cabin down there. And there's one right there too. People are. No. But those big windows shouldn't affect. That's big.
You don't think this is good?
For a marshmallow. I need a s'more stick. We gotta look for a s'more stick. That's a stick though. Good God. That's big.
Okay.
You need like a little skinny. Like you know how they got theirs in there?
Right there?
That's you gonna burn your hand like this. And then just
You think we should find another one like that?
yeah. And they're going right there, yep. It's a little skinny. That'll do though. We just gotta wash it.
You think this is skinny?
Maybe not.
That's bigger than yours.
Show yours.
Just in case.
Yeah. So we got 3. Off to see the wizard.
The wonderful Wizard of Oz.
Now it's time to prep the food. Oh, fire is firing. Okay.
Fire is firing.
Period. We did that, y'all.
Typical dance for y'all. Chunky stuff. Let's use the hand sanitizer safety first here. Alright. We're headed to the fire. Hopefully it'll get warm now. This the part. Food credit. The moment of truth. Is it pretty? It looks like it, sis.
Not great.
Okay. Okay.
And you might be able to darker.
Okay. Back to the grill it goes. We are trying to get water so we can put out the fire. Man, oh man. That thing will burn your eyes, y'all. Burn. It was horrible. But it's super fun. Now we have the food. Let's see what the chef chefed up. That looks yummy. This looks like it came right off the stove. Period. With them garlic spices. Ain't it garlic something? Let's see what we got over here. Leave it to the besties to have. Let's do this. You can see I always be doing the least. My basic tail, she got her whole. I think to me, I was like, it was giving monogram vibes, and I was like, ew, no. But now I'm like, dang, I only got a D.
No way. Yo.
I told her. I'm about to morph it.
No, like I'm gonna take it.
This don't make no sense, y'all. We cleaned up, God knows how much popcorn. Excuse me. What's burnt is some popcorn because it was all over the place, y'all.
I have to show you, send you mine.
Crazy.
Say hey, baby. Let them see your full face.
She DIY'd the popcorn.
Perfect.
It was supposed to be.
So now we gotta do a taste test.
Yeah. This made it all happen. And we in Asheboro. No one in Charlotte.
Ready?
Same stuff we did in here tonight. I ain't never seen nobody make tea like that before. Right now, the biggest question is how, you know? How will we get out of here? The Lord. don't like snow, guys. Ice, anything. It's not sunny skies. But here we are. Look at Dawn. Got a whole roll of tissue. She slept by the way. That's what she wanted. Now she goes.
It's freezing.
Now it's time to get ready to go. The snow is soft. That's a blessing.